All right, so we just finished our newest piano original and we released it literally just now. This is part of my 30 days of creating music challenge. Today is day 5. Technically, we didn't actually do a session today yet, so it took 4 days total to actually finish an original piano piece for me. This is 1 day longer than I expected. I wanted to do 3 days. Every 3 days is a new piece, but couldn't quite reach that just because I'm rusty right now. It's been a while since I've created an original. I think like a whole year. So it's good to get back into it. There's a lot of skills that I noticed that are definitely really rusty, especially like inputting MIDI, moving it around, and just a whole bunch of stuff related to like adjusting the audio and mastering things. And I am out of practice. In fact, I don't think I ever really got good at mastering or adjusting audio for music in particular. So I need to do a lot more research and just studying up on that. Right now, my main sort of reason I'm doing this is to just get back into it. I know that I'm kind of creating things that aren't the best they can be, but I think it's okay. I feel like this first piece, I like it a good amount. I'll be playing it in the background. It does kind of sound very sad overall. I don't know why I started off with a very, very sad piece like this. I kind of just played. I didn't think too much about like what idea or concept it was. It was more like a warm up basically. So this is just an update video for that challenge, and I think things are going well. It was extremely challenging, especially on day 4. Like day 3 tired me out so much to the point where when I hung out with my friends, I felt myself like drained, and I felt myself like being less capable of doing normal things like just coming up with good ideas or good conversation and all that stuff. It was very hard to think as much. And then the next day after that, I was like so tired too. It wasn't just because of, doing this. I was out like a good amount of the night because of my friend's birthday. So yesterday was day 4 of the challenge, was very, very tough. I think the only productive thing I did yesterday was actually finish the piece. But we finished it, which is really good, and now we're moving on to the next one. I think I was like debating whether or not I should take like a day break, but I think that's against the spirit of the challenge. This challenge is only for 30 days, and I want to do like my absolute best every single day, especially for something that I claim to be my passion. So let's move on to the next one, and I think I'm gonna like actually make something a bit happier this time and try to come up with the idea beforehand, starting from scratch. But I'm debating whether or not I should record everything. I think I will record everything, but I don't know if I'll post it because I don't know. I feel like I'll post it. I'll try to post it, but it's just strange to have so much silence in a video sometimes. I could cut out the silences, but it takes more editing and I don't really want to focus on the edits right now. I'd rather just summarize like how the process went like this, although this summary wasn't very organized. But overall, it was a good experience just getting back into things. Like day 1, like I'll try to give a bit more organized of a summary. Day 1, I already had the idea because I created it previously on day 0, I guess, like the day before I started. I came up with like just a quick melody, and based on that melody, I kept developing it by improvising, and then I would occasionally listen back to the MIDI and be like, oh, I liked what I played there, and then I would add it to like the real thing, and I would just keep doing that over and over and over again until I came up with the final thing. And even in the last moments, I was still brainstorming so much. I was just like getting kind of caught up by new ideas continuously. And then I had to tell myself like, okay, we just got to decide on, what we want it to be, and that's it. Like just refine it from there, clean it up from there. There are definitely parts where I'm like, okay, the pedal information here like wasn't great. I could go fix it, but I kind of got to move on. Like I didn't do as much editing as I should have, which is kind of like a theme these days. But it's fine. I also feel like my rhythm for this piece wasn't very good. I definitely did not have like a clear meter when I played, and I think that definitely made certain parts feel a little weird in my opinion, but I didn't mind it so much because again it's a warm up and it's just something that I'm just trying to get out there and finish because it's for the challenge as well. But overall, I'm still happy with the piece and how it turned out. Day two, I basically just refined more ideas and did exactly what I was talking about. And day three is when I was starting to finalize ideas and put it into the MIDI. And then day four is when I already had all my ideas and was just inputting MIDI at that point and cleaning it up. But for the next one, we definitely need to do more on day one because that was too short, I think. All the days were day one was about an hour, day two was about an hour and 30 minutes, I'd say, and then day three was 2 hours and 10 minutes, I think. And then day four was about an hour as well. So that is the spread, and I think we can definitely do it faster the second time around. But I think that's it for this one. We'll catch you guys in the next music challenge video, which I will probably just upload for fun. And then, yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Okay, catch you guys in the next one.